Are you tired of spending hours on housework? Well, these products I'm going to mention today are total game changers when it comes to getting it done and getting it done as quickly and easily as possible so that you can move on with the things you truly want to be doing. So say goodbye to scrubbing endlessly and hello to more free time. Get an electric scrubber. I love this. It has a powerful motor and this brush rotates so it cleans even the toughest grime in seconds compared to the manual muscle way that can take a lot longer. So no more sore arms or wasted time. You get the deep down wonderful clean in a fraction of the time and it's not super expensive. So this is definitely one of my new top favorites. Next up is my microfiber mop. You guys know this is one of my FlyLady purchases, but any microfiber mop is going to do so much for you. First of all, the microfiber pad, number one, it traps the dust and the debris and quickly cleans it up. Plus, you can just literally take the microfiber mop head off and toss this in the washer so it's little to no cleanup. You don't have that stinky mop smell when you've let it set and it's soured. So I love my microfiber mop. I highly advise it. And the best part is that your floors dry 1,000 times faster so that you can go ahead and get moving on to the rest of the things you want to get done in a day. And never mop with a dirty mop head again. Have you ever come across a spill or a stain that's kind of dried on and gotten to the point where you know it's gonna take you some real elbow grease to get in there? But I'm telling you, using my hand steamer, it saved so much time. I didn't have to mess with it nearly as much and it just got it cleaned. And then not only that, I feel better about things because it's sanitized. So the handheld version is perfect for the tracks on my sliders, the window seals, things like that, because it really gets in here really nicely and it loosens up all that grime so I don't have to do as much scrubbing. My daughter has the steam mop version and uses it throughout the house to sanitize the floors so that the baby crawling on the floors, you just don't have to worry about as many germs and things like that. You just absolutely can't go wrong by just using steam. Work smarter, not harder. So by using tools that actually loosen things up where you don't have to scrub so hard, it's just gonna save you so much time and so much money because I used to put so much more product down and now I can usually knock a lot of it off with just steam and then use my product for anything that doesn't come clean the first shot. And you've probably already guessed it, but the most used cleaning tool in my entire house has to be my hand vac. I love this so much. I had to buy a new one because we burned the other one up, and I use it for every project probably 3 to 4 times a day. And no list of time-saving cleaning tools would be complete without a stick vac. A stick vac is lighter and easier to maneuver. It gets around the smaller things like the corners and underneath the tables and the chairs 1,000 times better than my Kirby does. Plus, it doesn't take an arm and a leg to pull it out. So I'm gonna be more likely to grab it for all the little spills and things, whereas now I tend to pick up my hand vac. I am drooling, dying, wishing for a stick vac. If you guys know, you know, but I am daydreaming for the Dyson stick vac, and if anybody wants to send me one, I will be more than happy to show it, try it out, and give you a true review. But until then, it's at the very top of my Amazon wish list, and I am saving up all of my pennies so that by the end of the year, I'm praying that I get one. Anyways, that is my full list. So why are you still spending so much time and energy cleaning when there are these amazing time-saving cleaning tools out there? And right now is the perfect time if you're wanting to pick something up because Amazon Prime Day is coming up. And I'm telling you guys, this is the time to really shop the sales, get a good deal, and save your time for other more fun things. So be sure to watch this video. It's going to walk you through all of the FlyLady Ultimate Pack products that I got and the dupes that you can get at Amazon. And I'm going to break it down for you, what's good, what's bad, and what is actually going to save you time so that we make cleaning smarter and not harder and get on with the rest of our day. I'll see you there. Bye. Bye.